Join me as I dive deep into the world of Soxl stock and try to predict if it's really about to explode in 2025. Soxl stock is a popular exchange-traded fund that tracks the performance of the semiconductor industry, a sector that's been on fire in recent years. The semiconductor industry has become a crucial part of our daily lives, powering everything from smartphones to laptops, and even cars. With the rapid growth of technology, the demand for semiconductors is expected to continue rising, making Soxl stock an attractive option for investors. The semiconductor industry is highly competitive, and Soxl stock faces challenges from market volatility and competition. The global semiconductor market is dominated by a few major players, including Intel, Samsung, and Taiwan Semiconductor. This competition can make it difficult for Soxl stock to maintain its growth momentum. Moreover, the semiconductor industry is highly dependent on global economic trends, which can be unpredictable. Market volatility is another major challenge facing Soxl stock. The stock market can be unpredictable, and even the best-performing stocks can experience significant declines. The semiconductor industry is also subject to fluctuations in demand, which can impact Soxl stock's performance. For instance, a decline in demand for smartphones or laptops can negatively impact the stock's value. Another challenge facing Soxl stock is the rapid pace of technological advancements. The semiconductor industry is constantly evolving, with new technologies emerging every year. This can make it difficult for Soxl stock to keep up with the latest trends and innovations. Furthermore, the industry is also subject to regulatory challenges, which can impact the stock's performance. On the other hand, there are several key factors that could influence Soxl's future growth. One major factor is the increasing demand for semiconductors and emerging technologies like artificial intelligence, 5G, and the Internet of Things. These technologies require high-performance semiconductors, which could drive growth for Soxl stock. Additionally, the ongoing trend of digital transformation is driving demand for semiconductors in various industries. The growth of the global economy is also a significant factor that could impact Soxl stock's performance. A strong economy typically leads to increased demand for semiconductors, which can drive growth for Soxl stock. Furthermore, the US-China trade tensions have had a significant impact on the semiconductor industry, and any developments in this area could influence Soxl stock's performance. Analysts have been closely watching Soxl stock, and some have expressed optimism about its potential for growth in 2025. One significant development that could lead to a potential explosion in Soxl stock value is the increasing adoption of electric vehicles. Electric vehicles require high-performance semiconductors, which could drive growth for Soxl stock. Some analysts have also pointed out that Soxl stock has been undervalued in recent months, making it an attractive option for investors. Additionally, the stock has a strong track record of performance, with significant gains in recent years. This could be a sign that Soxl stock is poised for further growth in 2025. In summary, Soxl stock has the potential to explode in 2025, driven by growth in the semiconductor industry, increasing demand for emerging technologies, and a strong economy. However, the stock also faces challenges from market volatility and competition. If you have any thoughts on Soxl stock or the semiconductor industry, I'd love to hear them in the comments below. Also, be sure to check out my related video on semiconductor market trends, where I dive deeper into the industry and explore its potential for growth.